All right, in this tutorial, we are going to see what is the anatomy or structure of a view file. If you remember in the last tutorial, we saw what's the start point of a view project. And then in this tutorial, we had said that we'll look at what is the structure of a view file. Okay, so this is the project that we had last created. And you will see here in the main JS, there is a app.view file which is imported and which is mounted into the DOM. So let's create a new view file. I'm going to create a new view file here. I'm going to explain you a structure, basic structure of a view file. Let's create a view file. View files end with a .view extension, and I'll just call it hello world dot view. And in any view file represents your view. So view v vid uv view is a uh, is a file extension, and it represents one view, view view in your web application. So any web view, as we all know, it contains of an html, it contains css, it may consist of some script. So that goes for a view file. At a bare minimum, it must have some html. Okay, so and but that html must reside in a special tag that's called template. So there's where your template tag, and whatever html that must go in your web view or a web page must go inside this tag. And let's say I have a div and have a p tag which is having my text, that is hello world. Okay, p tag close. So this is the html part of it. Okay, the second part is the script. Okay, and the third part is the style. And both this script and style, both of these parts are optional parts. Okay, so at a bare minimum, you'll need a template. You may have an optional script, you may have an optional style. So this is pretty much the structure of a view file, just three parts to it. As with any web page, we have html, we have css, we have script. Same goes with a view file, and each view file then becomes a single file component. Call it a component, and let's try testing this view component. So hello world component, let's try testing it. We'll go to the main.js. If you remember last tutorial, in this main.js, there is an app component or app.view which was imported and mounted to the app div in the index.html file. Here in the main.js, what we are going to do, we are going to just replace this app with world hello world from hello world dot view, and replace here this with hello world. If you save this, and we already have our project started, and in that you will see that our text hello world is getting displayed. So this is about structure of a view file. Just to summarize, a view file consists of three parts. One is the template, another is a script, another is a style. And script and style are optional. You need to have a bare minimum template. Template is just your simple html, whatever you want to put in your web application view. So hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next tutorial.